We'll guide you through how to add text in Shirt Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure Adobe Photoshop is open and your high-quality shirt photograph is loaded onto the canvas. First, we need to create a displacement map to tell Photoshop exactly where the wrinkles and folds of the fabric are located. Go to your Layers panel, right-click your main background photo layer, and select Duplicate Layer. Click on this new duplicated layer. Go to the top menu, click Image, hover over Adjustments, and select Desaturate to make the image black and white. Next, go to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Apply a very small blur of around 2 pixels to smooth out the harsh fabric textures, and click OK. Now, go to File, then Save As, and save this black and white document to your computer as a standard Photoshop file, naming it map.psd. Once the file is safely saved, you can delete or hide that black and white layer so you can see your original colored shirt again. Navigate to the left toolbar and select the horizontal type tool. Click on the canvas directly over the shirt, type your text, and adjust the font size and color. Go back to your Layers panel, right-click on your newly created text layer, and select Convert to Smart Object. To apply the realistic fabric distortion, go to the top menu, click Filter, hover over Distort, and select Displace. A small settings window will appear. Set both the horizontal and vertical scale to 10 or higher if wrinkles are deep, and click OK. A File Explorer window will instantly pop up. Find and select the map.psd file you saved earlier and click Open. You will instantly see your text magically warp and distort perfectly along the specific wrinkles of the shirt. To make the ink look printed into the fabric, double-click the empty space next to your text layer name to open the Layer Style window. Look at the bottom of the window for the Blend If section and focus on the underlying layer gradient slider. Hold down the Alt key or Option on Mac. Click the small white triangle on the right side of the slider and drag it to the left to split it. This allows bright highlights through.